What's up, boys and girls? Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on the Musicq platform. So let's get to it. Alright, so to access the Musicq platform, you essentially need to go to Musicq.club, and when you get on the web page, this is what you will see. Okay, so on this page it just tells you, well, if you're on desktop, you need to use these wallet extensions. So what do you need a wallet? Well, Musicq platform is a Web3 application. So when I say Web3, it means that you need a digital wallet to access most of the function. But it is not required unless you want to make money or play a song that someone is trying to sell and make money from. So when you're on this page, you can click the join club button, and when you do that, it will take you to the discover page. On this page, you will see all the queues that has been created by all the cool artists out there. Okay, so here you can play a queue by clicking the play button, the gray one or the white one, however you see it. And then if you see there's a huge button right here with the plus sign, you can click on it. When you do that, it gives you a new screen or a new window that you can use to create a queue. So you can enter your queue name and you can set the queue type. Well, if you don't have your wallet connected, you can only make a public queue. And once you enter a name, you can upload your queue art, a picture for your queue. You can click create, and then it will create a queue for you. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click cancel. Once you have a queue created, you can click on the button to play the queue. Well, if your queue doesn't have a song on it, you wouldn't see anything, so you won't be able to play it. In this case, this one has some tracks in it. So I can click play, and it will play the rainfall track, and the rainfall track is free, so everything works fine. Now if I try to play the paid one, it will give me a notification, hey, the track is not free, you need to connect a wallet. But that's okay, I don't need to connect a wallet to listen to these other ones, so I'm not going to connect a wallet. Then you can click on the name of the track, and it will give you this window that gives you some stats about the queue. You see the number of tracks, the name of the queue, the length, the number of people that uploaded a song to this queue, which is 1, and if this queue is a subscribable queue, then number of subscribers. The strips is how many times this queue has been played, and the gross is how many queue dots this queue has been making since it got created. Down here you see some controls for the music player, essentially. So your normal control, so I'm not going to go into detail with that. Okay, so on this page, I'm going to go ahead now and connect my wallet. Okay, so to connect your wallet, you click this nice hamburger button. It does look like a hamburger. Hamburger is some American stuff that you eat. So you can click on it. You see connect wallet button right here, so you can click on connect wallet. It will give you this pop-up window. So these are the wallets that we support. So we support the Phantom wallet, the Soulflare wallet, the Select, and the Select extension. Usually I prefer this two, so I have Phantom wallet extension in my browser, so I'm gonna click that one, and it will ask me to enter my password. I don't think you can see that, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so now my wallet is connected. As you can see, I see more options, and also I see a track, an add button track. So this is only visible if if you have your wallet connected and the queue that you're looking at is locked and you don't own the queue, is unlocked. So if the queue that you're looking at is unlocked, you'll see this button. But if the queue is locked, you won't be able to see it unless you own the queue. So I own this queue, that's why I'm able to see this. So when you see this button, click to add track, you can click on it. And when you do so, it gives you another pop-up window that you can click on to select a bunch of tracks. Let me go ahead and select a track. So when you select a track, it pops up this window. It gives you some information about the track. It says you want to sell it, you can put a price here, you can put the units. So if you want to sell it per loop, which is per play, or you want to sell it per second, which is the length of the song in second, and that will be multiplied by however many Q dots that you want to sell it for. And this is the size of the file. So I'm not gonna put a price on it. Also, you need to say that you own this song, the track. If you don't, please don't upload it. But if you own it, you can upload it. Then we check that box and you click upload. It will go ahead and upload the songs. As you can see, it uploaded a new song, so it tried to extract some information from that song, but it couldn't, so it named it unknown track, unknown artist. But since you uploaded that song and you have your wallet connected, you can edit the song. And when you do edit, you can change the track to the right track name and the artist to the right artist. You can also update the price if you decide to say, I want to sell this, so you can do that here. And also you can set update the track art. So in this case, the default one is the Q dot logo. So in this case, you can do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cancel. At the same time, you can also delete. So I'm just going to delete it, and that goes away. So essentially, this is how you use the platform from a mobile device. I mean, from a desktop, and this is super straightforward. Okay. So let me go back to the Discover page. So now I'm on the Discover page. I also have more options as well here. So here I can share this queue. So when I click share, it gives me this nice window. I can copy this link and send it to anyone, or I can show them this QR code and they can scan it and it will take them to this queue. I can also edit the queue to change it up. I can make it unlocked so that anyone can add songs to it. I can remove the subscription so that you don't need to subscribe to it. I can also keep the subscription and all that stuff. So here I can change it from public to private, but I'm not going to because I need it to stay open. And I don't want to unlock it because I don't want anyone else to add any track to this queue. This is my own queue. I don't want you messing around with that. Alright, so that's that. And there's also this queue. This one is private. You can't really see it. This is my private queue. You're only able to see it because I connected my wallet and I'm on my own session. So this queue has just songs that I like and it's there. Okay, so this is it for doing it from a web browser. So to essentially conclude the web browser one. So all you need to do is go to Musicq.club. You'll land on this page, you click join club, it takes you to the discover page. You can play any queue that you want, or you can create your own. Once you create your own, you can click play on it. When it takes you to this page, you can click add songs to your queue. Once you're done adding songs to your queue, you can play the queue. And when you're playing the queue, you can open up here to see all the stats about your queue. And also you can have some other controls to do stuff. And if you don't have your wallet connected, you can click this button and click connect wallet. And then you can connect the wallet. If you don't have any Q dots, or you don't have a Q dot account, you see other options to create a Q dot account and stuff. And once you create a Q dot account, you can click buy yourself. So you can go ahead and buy yourself some Q dot and you can use it to play songs here. Or you can create your own song and mix Q dot if someone else plays your song. Okay, so that is that for the desktop browser. Now, if you're on cell phone, which I assume most of us are, you will go to your cell phone on your mobile device. Essentially, you will need to have a wallet application. But before I go ahead and show you that, I'm going to be using Soulflare Wallet. But before I go ahead and show you that, you can open your browser and you go to Musicq.club. You click go, and it will take you to the same page that you see on the desktop. Okay, you do join club. You will be able to do the same thing that I was able to show you on the desktop. But the only thing is when you do connect wallet, because your phone browser doesn't have an extension per se, so you really can't have a wallet extension on your phone browser. So this is where using a wallet application is needed, because this is a Web3 application. To be able to browse it and use all the cool Web3 stuff, you need a Web3 browser. Your normal browser isn't Web3 compatible, but you can still play a song that is free. You can still upload songs if you choose to. You can still do all the same thing that you can do. The only thing is, if you want to make money or play a song that needs you to pay for it, like this one, you need to have a wallet connected. Okay, now to connect a wallet on your mobile, another thing that you can do, if you don't want to always go to www.musicq.club, you can click the share button and it brings up your share screen. And if you go down, you see add to home screen. You click on that. On Android, you wouldn't need to do this. It will just tell you install app. And when you click add to home screen, it will add it here. As you can see, I have the Musicq as an application here, so I can click on it and it will take me to the Musicq app again. So it's just an app on your phone right now. But let me go ahead and show you how to use a Web3 browser. So I'm going to be using Soulflare, okay? So I'm going to open my Soulflare wallet. I'm going to sign in. So inside the Soulflare wallet, you can see I have some tokens in there. Here you see the glove, you click on it, and it will take you to the Web3 browser, okay? If you have any other wallet, you need to use the Web3 browser in your wallet. So I have already made Musicq my favorite, so I go to Musicq. The same thing I can see here, nothing new. I can do join club. Now the reason that you use the Web3 browser is to connect the wallet. So you click connect wallet. Again, it gives you an option. I'm using the Soulflare wallet. Remember that. So you select Soulflare and it will connect your wallet. So now your wallet is connected and you can play all the songs that are priced. So now I can play this one. It's thank you to play. The other ones are free. Now I can play it. Why am I able to play it without paying for it? Because I uploaded this one. If I didn't upload this one, it will ask me to pay for it. So this is essentially how you access the Musicq platform from your cell phone. Alright, so now go ahead and create some cool stuff. Join the club, add some queue, share with your friends, and have fun.